G is for gecko. H is for horned lizard. I is for Indian Cobra. J is for Jackson's chameleon. K is for King Cobra. L is for Leopard Gecko. M is for monitor lizard. N is for Nile Crocodile. O is for olive Ridley sea turtle. P is for python. Q is for Queensland Lungfish. R is for rattlesnake. S is for Saltwater Crocodile. T is for Tegu. U is for Uromastyx. T is for Tiger. W is for water monitor. X is for Xenagama